Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me today, and I have a special announcement for you. So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you the good news. All right, so those of you that are trading, either day trading, swing trading, or anything directional, even long-term investing, and you're looking at things based on the charts, coming up this next week, we're going to launch a brand new course, and it's called the TC2000 Masterclass. Now, this is a software program that I use for charts. Normally, when you see me doing a lot of option trading or options, constructing the risk profile pictures, yes, they have charts in there, but I find that this software program is one that I've used time and time again, and I'm going to be launching a masterclass on that. And because of that masterclass, we will be doing a little mini sale discount promotion to be able to get that masterclass at a deal. So what's the point of looking at this masterclass rather than just doing charts on your own? So here's kind of the thing. This software, there's a lot of things to it. So here it is. Here's the software. But I'm going to share with you how to go ahead and use this software because I find it's one of the fastest software out there that I could go ahead and flip to. Whether I'm looking at color coding the trend lines, I'm going to go ahead and show you like my 2x2 views. Right here, how to look at things, how to set these things up, how to set up these layouts. Because it's a software program that you download to your computer, unlike some of the other browser-based ones out there, it's much more quick. It's much more intuitive. You can use your mouse. You can go ahead and detach panels in it and so on. I can go ahead and set up like crazy panels like this in a custom layout where I could have watch lists. And that's what I'm going to cover with you is I'm going to show you how to use the software first. So that's probably about 80% of the training. So if you go in and just look through it, it's about 5 hours long, but 85% I would say is more of how to use the software itself. So we're going to go through how to set up those layouts, how to look at the charts, how to change the colors of the charts, how to change it from bars to candlesticks. So software based, right? People want to get started with just the software. But towards the end, what I'm going to do is also share with you my personal setup of how I use this for swing trading, how I use it for a little more directional on the option side, how you could use this to find more trends, long investing portfolio, so also for speculative things. So I'm going to share with you my layout, my workspace and setup, how I have my charts set up in my settings, how I have my scanners and watch lists set up, which you kind of got a glimpse of all these different watch lists in here. So we're going to dig deeper into all of this. I'm going to show you my process for alerts. So here's kind of an alert view that I have, and taking a look at this, you can see there's some alerts real quick that went through today. So I'll show you kind of those kinds of things, my primary layout, like a 3x view that I have, and a 12x grid chart as well, and moving average. So here's kind of like a 12x grid. Here's kind of a vertical 3x view, and much more. So I'm going to dig into those as well. But again, 85% of it, I would say, is learning how to use the software. And I think it's just much more powerful and much stronger than a lot of other charting software out there. And that's why I pay for the service, because I've been using it for 10 plus years. So I've been doing it for quite a while, and the course is in depth. So you can go in and check out this course at our website at Rise, the number 2, LEARN, or just go to our Traders Fly website. Once you're there, just scroll down and you'll see this TC2000 Masterclass. And then you'll be able to hit the Learn More button. And for the time being, as we launch this course, for people that have been keeping up with us, we're doing, a little special promotion for you to go ahead and pick up the course. All those promotional details will be shown on the website. So make sure you just go ahead, and when you go to the website, you can go ahead and pick that stuff up in the links on the description below, or on our Traders Fly website, and you can enter the promotion code, discount code, and so on. So stay tuned. That's going to come up here in the next week. Really software training. I haven't done software training in a long time, but it's going to show you how to use the software training and go into the nitty gritty of using the software platform. And then towards the end, the last few videos there, as you saw, as you do the breakdown, I'm going to share with you a lot of my setups for scanning, for directional things, for speculative investment strategies, those kinds of things. So all of that is really more for directional base, right? For the charts. When I'm doing my option trades, there's a lot of things I do non-directionally, but this is more specific for evaluating things based on the charts. Might be setting up positions for directional, for bullish strategies, for bearish strategies, for when trend lines are breaking down, for scanning things, for what things are popping up on the watch list. So I'm going to show you some of that setup within the software. We're not going to go into a full-fledged detail of how I go into the process. I'm just going to show you how I deal with that in the software. We might dig deeper into another course where we're going to really break it all down in the future. But in this case, we're looking at the setup and the general scans. They're still very detailed, but I think as far as swing trading goes, that could be a whole course on its own. So anyways, check out this course once it's launched. It's going to be coming up next week's announcement I want to share with you. I think it's pretty cool, insightful for those of you that have TC2000. And if you don't, you can always just get it for a month and see how it is for you. But I think it's just one of the best charting platforms out there. And if you're doing things based on direction, long-term investing, anything chart-based, it's really a powerful software piece for any trader or investor to have. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Check out the link in the description. Check out our websites. Make sure you're on the newsletter list. And that way you get notified as we release other great trainings, education, promotions, discounts, and much more. Live classes and master classes coming up soon. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.